continue. I'm parched, okay?
Here, boy. I hope he hasn't gotten into any trouble.
Just wait till my potion kicks in, you big dumb monster. What? I thought I had it set to... And, well, I forgot exactly what happens after that. Oh, hey, the lights. What do you know? Oh, I've got no time for my diabolical plan now. I've got the chiropractor at 4. Could we pick it up tomorrow and say my evil scheme monologue? Good. But you know, I wonder who actually did win the Best Monster contest.
Oh, there you are, Platypus Monster. And to think I worried you might get into some mischief.
Ladies and gentlemen, we're ready to announce the winner of the Best Monster contest.
Hey, we're just in time.
Mom, it's here! The monster's in here!
We're coming. Don't get your knickers in a twist.
They are so busted. Oh, refreshments! This monster hunting is thirsty work. That's a peculiar taste.
Hey, Constance.
Oh, Jeremiah!
I can't remember a day when you looked more beautiful. Well, now I can.
Ladies and gentlemen,